Hey everybody, back with another video. Got two FairField repack boxes, 100 cards, plus a pack. You get 1 in 4 odds, so got about a 50% chance of getting something. And I wanted to get 2 brand new ones, but I only found one 2019 FairField repack. This one, this is the older, last year's version of this. So wanted to get 2 new ones, but still you can find some pretty good stuff in this one. Potentially Bryce Harper rookie, Kershaw. There's been some stuff been found in these before. Anyway, so without further ado, let's do the new one first. Let's do the new one first. Good Lord, I put in them glue. You definitely want to make sure you don't get into these things. Alright, well, I'm just going to go down here then. Struggle is real. Alright, so got cards out, get the pack out. It is a pack of 2018 opening day. So, go through half these cards, or I mean, go through all of them, but do half at a time. All right, so this is the new 2019. I'm not going to mention every card. Ah, look at that. That's a pretty nice one. Hall of Famer now, Jack Morris. All right. Another Jack Morris. Another Jack Morris. Must have been like, hey, they're Hall of Famers now. They're worth something. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like that one. Look at that. That's an old, was that 90s? Yeah, it doesn't say. I don't know. It looks like a 90s insert, though. That's pretty cool. Alright. Some newer tops here. Turn these around. Chris Davis. One thing bad about these boxes is they, you have to, shades Pinnacle. Huh. Jose leaned. Huh. Save that for, Jab's family. His brother. Likes him. I've never seen that one. It's pretty cool. Anyway, oops. Doc Gooden. Old Bowman. League leaders. Huh. Look at that. I just decided to throw that one in there. David Cone, Diamond King. Randy Wolf. I got some old, is that Flair? I think so. Yeah. 81. Got some old cards here. Good old Ed Farmer. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Ooh, wow. Austin Wood. Numbered out of 100. Look at that. Die cut. From 2011. Obviously, probably never panned out. Or at least I never heard of him. But that's pretty cool, though. There we go. Oh, look at this. I got some 81 in here. Maybe hit a Tim Raines. That'd be sick. Damn, they put tons of 81 in here. Bob Walk. Sorry, turn these cards around. Alright. Hobson. Alright, so even threw some 89 upper deck in here. Alright, just pull these away. So I wasn't too. A couple cool inserts got a hit, so that wasn't bad. Alright. Buddy Bell. Ooh, look at that. Andy LaRoche. Spectrum. Not numbered. I haven't seen too many rookies in here. Or any rookies for that matter. Brett Boone. Hubby Brooks. Eric Show. I remember him. It's showtime. Oh, God. Brutal, all these cards you have to turn around. Oh, Mondesi. Alright. Tyler Collins. Howie Kendrick. Rajay Davis. Alright, and there's a little bit more. Oops. Alright, Jake Arrieta. Turn this way. Braves leaders. That's pretty cool. Ryan Sandberg. Hall of Famer. Tim Hudson when he was a Brave. That's pretty cool. I'll keep that. Ooh, look at that. Topps chrome in there. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Fernando Tatis. Ryan Dempster. Chris Snelling. Alright, well. So that was it. Oh, wait, we got the pack. Forgot about the pack. Opening day 2018. Get a rookie maybe. Let's see. Alright. Will Myers. Kyle Seaver. Jose Altuve. You got the Racing Presidents. Edwin Encarnacion. Will Darvish. So, no. Alright. So, let's get into this one. Maybe I can get to it through the bottom easier. Let's try that. Yeah, it's much easier. Alright. I feel like this is like 91 Donruss or something. Ha! 92. There you go. I had a feeling. I was not too excited about buying that box, but like I said, they didn't have any of the new ones. So, alright. Let's see if we can get anything good out of this one. Wally Joyner. Doug Jones. Huh. Look at that. Basketball card in there. Should be able to get a refund because that means there's only 99 baseball cards in here when it says, the packaging says 100. Whoa, look at this. Hockey. Ooh, wow. 1980. And it was A's. Babe Ruth. Tom Glavine. A lot of really good players in this one. Lee Smith. New Hall of Famer. Sorry about that. If the cards haven't been in view the whole time, the best. Dale Murphy. Look at there. That's cool. Rob Dibble. I think we at least get some kind of rookie from the 80s, maybe. Jason Schmidt. Gordon Beck. Alright. There's that. Alright, so this is the last of it. So that 92 Donruss. Not the best thing you can pull out of that is a hey, Freddie Freeman, there we go. PC, so that's not a total loss there. From 92 Donruss you can get elite cards numbered. Mike Minor. But yeah. Howie Kendrick. Huh. Remember that card? 40-40 Club. Cal Ripken. Jose Lean. Got a rookie of Sean Hallman. Andre Dawson, Hall of Famer. All-Star Game 2017. David Wright. Nationals. Another Alex Wood card. Josh Donaldson will be coming to the Braves this year. I'm excited to see what he might be able to do. Travis Dimitri. Remember Braves prospect Randy Bush. So it doesn't. There's no hit on this one. It does appear. Alex Rodriguez. Casey Kelly rookie. And that's it there. Alright. Now it's time for the 92 Doners. I pulled that Elite. Remember when I was a kid, my dad got the Tony Gwynn Elite. I think he bought it. Pretty sure we didn't pull it. I have to get a rookie though. Pat Lennon. Literally don't think there's a single notable card in here. In this set. Eddie. Ooh, look at there. I will say, and that is mint too. I will say I did love the look of these Diamond Kings when I was a kid. I was like, wow, this looks so cool. And that has a nice one too. Hall of Famer, Paul Molitor, original Diamond Kings. I like it. So, you know, it's a fun little rip. Not bad. $20 a piece. Or, no, excuse me, no. One of them was $5, the other one was $8. So anyway, all right. Well, again, yeah, here was the hit, the main hit. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, see you.